2024 Best Cheap Motorcycle for Beginners Honda CMX250C. In the realm of motorcycles, the 2024 Honda CMX250C emerges as an outstanding and budget-friendly choice for beginners, seamlessly blending cruiser design, approachable performance, and rider-friendly features. Recognized as one of the best cheap motorcycles for those entering the world of riding, the CMX250C exemplifies Honda's dedication to crafting machines that offer an ideal combination of cost-effectiveness, beginner-friendly attributes, and the joy of cruising. In 2024, the CMX250C continues to be a compelling option for entry-level riders worldwide, standing as a symbol of accessible comfort, confidence building, and the delight of mastering the art of motorcycling on a budget. 1. Classic cruiser design with a modern twist. The Honda CMX250C boasts classic cruiser design elements that deliver a visually appealing experience without compromising affordability, making it an attractive choice for riders seeking a balance between style and budget. With its low-slung profile, relaxed riding position, and chrome accents, the CMX250C exudes a cruiser presence on the road. Honda's commitment to cost-effective design ensures that the CMX250C not only provides an enjoyable riding experience but also stands as a visual testament to the affordability of cruiser comfort. 2. Efficient single-cylinder engine for relaxed cruising. At the heart of the CMX250C lies an efficient 234 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, offering a perfect balance of accessible power and efficiency for novice riders. Honda's engine design emphasizes smooth power delivery and fuel efficiency, making it an excellent choice for those looking for an economical yet relaxed cruising experience. The CMX250C's engine provides ample performance for city commuting, leisurely rides, and the joy of cruising, offering a budget-friendly platform for riders to explore the fundamentals of motorcycling. 3. Low seat height and lightweight build for easy handling. Designed for easy handling, the Honda CMX250C features a low seat height and lightweight chassis that contribute to its approachable and maneuverable characteristics. The bike's compact dimensions and balanced geometry make it user-friendly for beginners, allowing them to confidently navigate city streets, park with ease, and experience the allure of cruiser riding. The CMX250C's low-slung design enhances its approachability, making it an ideal choice for riders seeking a relaxed and stress-free introduction to motorcycling. 4. Comfortable seating and rider-friendly ergonomics. Crafted for comfortable riding, the CMX250C features a rider-friendly ergonomic setup. The bike offers a laid-back and comfortable seating position, mid-mounted foot controls, and wide handlebars, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. Honda's commitment to rider comfort makes the CMX250C not only a budget-friendly option but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily commuting, weekend cruising, and the pleasure of laid-back rides. 5. Integration of essential features. The 2024 CMX250C seamlessly integrates essential features to enhance the overall riding experience. A clear and user-friendly instrument cluster, classic cruiser-inspired design elements, and optional rider aids add contemporary functionality without inflating the cost. Honda ensures that the CMX250C remains an economical yet stylish choice, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of cruiser design with essential conveniences. Conclusion. The 2024 Honda CMX250C stands as a global icon of entry-level cruiser comfort, securing its position as one of the best cheap motorcycles for beginners. Its classic cruiser design, efficient single-cylinder engine, low seat height, comfortable ergonomics, and integration of essential features make it an unrivaled choice for budget-conscious riders venturing into the world of motorcycling. Whether mastering the basics, cruising with style, or enjoying the simplicity of riding on a budget, the CMX250C encapsulates the spirit of Honda's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of affordable cruiser excellence. As a symbol of accessible comfort, confidence building, and the joy of mastering the art of motorcycling without breaking the bank, the 2024 Honda CMX250C rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of cheap motorcycles for beginners.